Hi, this is my English program and my name is Felix. In this video I'm going to talk about a Mexican tradition. You know what is this Mexican tradition? For the filter, for the background, and for the month I'm doing this video. The Mexican tradition I'm talking about is Day of the Dead. This Mexican tradition it knows overall the world and it's very important for the Mexican culture. In this video I'm going to talk you about some history and some curiosities about this topic. Okay, let's begin. The celebration in Mexico it has the origin in the pre-Hispanic times. According to historians, the Mexicans had various periods throughout the year to celebrate their deaths. The most important were at the end of the harvest, between the months of September and November. Aztec society believed that the life continued even in the afterlife. That is why considered the existence of four destinations of the people according the way they die. The first one is the Tonatiuhchan, or House of the Sun, was the place where warriors killed in battle, took captures for sacrificing, and pregnant women went. The second one is the Tlalocan, a type of paradise which all those who died by water arrived. The third one is the Chichihualcoauco, a place for dead babies, where they were sucked by a huge nurse tree until they were born again. And the last one is the Mitlan, the kingdom of the dead and the rate of people who died from causes not related to water, war or childbirth. Talking about later, what is Mitlan? This was most of the deaths went. To write at Mitlan, the deceased had to wait 4 years, during which time he was devoured by Tlatehuitli. During this time, which was devoured by Tlatecutli, the goddess of the earth, completed by the above. A journey through the 9 levels of the Mexican underworld began. The first one is cross the Apanoyan River. The second one is going naked in the Tepet Monanamishan, a place where 2 hills constantly coincide. The third one is confront a snake that guards a pant. The fourth is cross the Itepels or Cerro de las Navajas. 5. Turning 8 peaks where snow fall constantly called Sehuecayan. 6. Travel another 8 roads in Itzecayan, a place where the winds cuts like razor. 7. Walk on the Apaguayo, a black water channel in which dreaded lizard called Xochitl lives. 8. Cross another river. The name of the river is Chiconahuapan, with the help of the Xoloscuincle dog. And finally reach the Itzmitlanapoch Calocan, the place where the gods of the dead dwell. Okay, this is some information and history about this Mexican tradition. I hope you enjoyed the video and you like it. Thank you.